boys and girls. Welcome to my art room. I am Miss Kim, and today I have a fun painting that we want to do together. Yes? Do you remember the story about PJ Funny Bunny? It's not easy being a bunny. Well, I thought it would be fun to create a personal portrait of the Funny Bunny family. Are you ready to get started? Meet me at the table.
Yay, welcome back. Okay, here we go. Well, these are the supplies that we will need to create our art. We will need 3 empty toilet paper rolls, a stapler, white sheet of paper, some type of waterproof ink. A solvent ink stays-on pad works really good. We will need some water and a paintbrush, some watercolors, a white, black, and pink crayon. Okay, well, let's get started. So first of all, let's use our stapler and connect our toilet paper rolls together. So what I like to do is get them close together as possible, staple them like this, this, and this. And you can staple them on both sides. That way it gives it a little bit stability, okay, which I already stapled the back side. Okay, well, now let's begin making our bunny family, okay? Anytime you need to catch up, remember, press that pause button until you catch up and then start again. So this is used as our stencil to create our bunny heads. We take the ink pad. There, see what we're doing? Putting it on the bottom side like it's a stamp. And try to do it just as best you can. If it doesn't cover all the way, you can use an ink pen to connect the areas that didn't go. Okay, Miss Kim's going to see if that first one will work. And let's just pick a spot right here. Press it down on as best you can all over. Okay, pick it up. There, look at that. Not bad. Okay, and let's see. Funny Bunny, PJ Funny Bunny, remember he had lots of people in his family. So make as many bunny rabbits as you'd like. Yay, good job. Okay, that's all that Miss Kim is going to put on her paper. We're going to let that ink dry a little bit. Wasn't that fun? Just another way to use a stencil that we made by using household item. Okay? Just for fun. Now what I want to do is I want to take our pink crayon, and inside the bunny rabbit's ears, let's make it pink. Just a little portion of it. Okay? So do your inside shape, color it in. Uh-oh, Miss Kim's crayon broke. That's okay. A smaller crayon helps us with our pinch, doesn't it? Yay! Then I want to take the black and let's give the bunny rabbit some eyes. Okay. Now I'm going to like to do this to knock it off. And if that doesn't work, just do a light brush off of the crayon. Crumbs, I call them. Okay, then we want to do a nose. A bunny nose is, oh, let's see. Let's make a little, let's make a little triangle shape like that. Color it in black, okay? A little triangle shape, best you can, and color it in. Okay, now let's use our pink again and create his little mouth. See, like that on each one of them. And then we'll come back in with the whiskers, right? Bunny rabbits have whiskers. There we go. Now, let's give him some whiskers. Not very many, just 3 on each side. Now, very good. Look at all those little bunny rabbits. Now let's take our white crayon, and this is going to be hard, but what we want to do, because we want white bunnies. But Miss Kim, we have white paper. I know, but we want our bunnies to stay white because we are going to use some watercolor for the blue and the green grass, okay? All right, so you follow along with me. Let's color in all of our bunnies white. Now, I know it's going to be hard to see, but you just kind of have to, okay, I've already colored that area, so that's good and white. Then go to your other ear. And then we're going to color that all in really, really well because we want it to resist the watercolor. Yes. Now color in his face. We want a white bunny face as best as we can. Okay. All right, boys and girls, that was awesome. Now, I know some of you want to give these little bunnies eyelashes. Well, you can now at this point. Let's see, just little bitty ones. Yeah? Because, yeah, I'm sure PJ had sister bunnies too, right? And his mom. Okay, so I just chose to do 2. You can do as many as you want. Now let's see the magic that happens when we do our watercolors. So I'm going to move the water over here. And for this picture, I am just going to use, the green grass. So let's see, I'm going to use this right here. Green for the grass. So that means I am going to go like this. Yeah. And see. And see, you go right over the top and the water resists your crayons. Yay, good job. So I'm only going to go up so far. Okay, I only want to go up so far because then I am going to use the blue in the sky. Okay, now I wonder what other colors we can come back through here with some dark green and put little things like this in it to make it look like a bumpy grass. Huh? Like he's hiding in the grass? Yeah, look at that. Put some texture in it. Use your paintbrush. Awesome. Miss Kim loves to paint. See, and then you can wipe the water off of your crayon and look at that. Now we want to add the blue. I think I'm going to use the darker blue here. Okay? So I'm going to use this blue right here and cover your brush. Get you some water and just get inside there. Get a bunch of paint on that brush. Then take it back. Oh, look at that pretty color. I like that. That is a pretty blue. Yeah, get all that colored in. Oh, look at that. Where the sky meets the green, right? And then you can put some little, oh, like this for like dark clouds. Then what I like to do is take a paper towel or a regular cloth and just wipe it across your white bunny ears with the crayon on it. Look at that. So we just did a painting with crayons that resist the watercolor. Oh, there you go. Then you can come along here and sign your painting, right? I'm going to put Miss Kim. Yay! And you write your name down at the bottom. Awesome. Good work, boys and girls. Okay, I'll meet you back over there.
Yay! Good job, boys and girls. Woo! That was fun. We got to use a technique called resistive painting to create a funny bunny portrait. Yes! Boys and girls, thank you so much for joining me today. And remember, art is creating something as unique and wonderful as you are. Until next time, bye!